Chere is wait. Chere is wait. Let me scratch a beg. Chere is wait. Chere is wait. Somebody tells you chere, wait. Chere, wait. Come, bia. Come, bia. Come, bia. Come, bia. Wosa aho, relax. Wosa aho, relax. Wosa aho, relax. Wosa aho, relax. Zoike, rest. Zoike, rest. Zoike, rest. Nwata zukenike. Zukenike. You know that popular slang? Zukenike. Zoike, rest. Uchi onoge, close your mouth. Uchie onoge, close your mouth. Uchie onoge, close your mouth. Uchie onoge, close your mouth. Mechie ono, shut up. Mechie ono, shut up. Did you see the similarities and the differences? Mechie ono, shut up. Mechie ono, shut up. Because I post video every day on this channel. If you don't know, if you want to learn Igbo, this is a channel for you. If you're serious and you want to learn Igbo before December, because I expect you to be speaking in Igbo by December, so when you travel, you can communicate with that guy, with that girl, with those people, you know, that you get what I'm saying, okay? So this is the channel for you, because on this channel I'm not joking. If I brought out my time to post video every day on this channel, it shows I'm not joking, right? It shows I want you guys to learn this. So I have my notebook here and we're going to be going fast. Nodu ala, sit down. Nodu ala, sit down. You can also say Nodu ana. I grew up saying Nodu ana because I'm from Anambra, right? But they all mean the same thing. Nodu ala, sit down. Nodu ala, sit down. Kuru oto, stand up. Kuru oto, stand up. Kuru oto, stand up. Pueba, get out from here. Pueba, get out from here. Pueba, get out from here. Can you pour eba? Let's get out from here. Can you pour eba? Let's get out from here. Can you pour eba? Let's get out from here. Can you meya? Let's do it. Can you meya? Let's do it. Can you meya? Let's do it. Okay? Naga, keep going. Naga, keep going. Naga, keep going. Naga, keep going. Okay? Sorum, follow me. Solum, follow me. Sorum, follow me. Come with me. Sorum, follow me. Sorum, follow me. Okay? Dinera ala, lie down. Dinera ala, lie down. Dinera ana, lie down. You can say dinera ana, you can say dinera ala. Anyone, it means the same thing. I grew up saying dinera ana because I'm Anambra, obviously. Dinera ana, lie down. Dinera ana, lie down. Dinera ala, lie down. Bilie, get up. 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 Okay? Kpumie, shift. Kpumie, shift. You come to somewhere, you need to sit down. Somebody is sitting down, occupying the whole space, sitting and opening legs. You're like, kpumie, shift. Kpumie, shift. So you can sit as well. Kpumie, shift. Toharia, ya, turn it around. Toharia ya, turn it around. Toharia ya, turn it around. Toharia ya, turn it around. Banye ya, turn it on. Banye ya, turn it on. Like when you turn on the television, when you turn on the light, you can say, Biko, banye ya, please turn it on. Biko, banye ya, please turn it on. So banye ya is turn it on. Banye ya is turn it on, okay? Banyo ya is off it. Banyo ya is off it. Banyo ya, you can say banyo oko, banyo television, right? Banyo oko, banyo ifajesi inri. They all mean turn it off. Banyo is turn off. Banyo ya, turn it off. Banyo ya, turn it off. You know, off it, okay? Wait to Obi, calm down. Wait to Obi, calm down. You know, hot temper people. Wait to Obi, calm down. 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 Okay? Garahola. Garahola. Garahoora. You can say ola, you can say ora, depending on what you want to use. These are just dialect differentiation. I grew up saying ora. Gararora. Gararora, go and sleep. Gararora, go and sleep. It's late, you want to send your daughter to bed, or it's late, you want to send whoever you want to send to bed. Gararora, go and sleep. Gararora, go and sleep. It's night already, go and sleep. And we have ekwerem, I agree. Ekwerem, I agree. Ekwerem, I agree. Ekweteim, I don't agree. Ekweteim, I don't agree. Ekweteim, I don't agree. So guys, if you watch to this point and you not subscribe, guys, please subscribe. Subscription is free, costs you nothing. It's free, zero kobo, $0, 0 naira, 0 cedi, 0 anything, depending on the country you're watching from. Just know that it's zero. Okay, give this video a like so I used to recommend it to a wider range of people. For me on this channel, I bring video to your doorstep every blessed day. So if you're serious to learn Igbo, this is the channel for you. You need to subscribe to this channel. To tell you how serious I am, this is my book. I make notes for you guys all the time. See, I make notes for you guys in Igbo all the time. If you check my video, I started in a little short time, but I already have up to 100 and something videos on this channel. See guys, it's not easy to edit video, I'm not gonna lie to you. And me editing my own video is a different game, because I have to translate it. I have to translate it to English for you guys. It's not like ordinary regular videos on YouTube that I'm just speaking, you're hearing me. So I just edit. Man, I edit with work. So trust me, I bring work to your doorstep. But the only thing you're gonna do for me is just to subscribe and share my video, and I appreciate you so much. These are the phrases in Igbo language. Like I said, phrases can never finish on this channel, because when you know the phrases, you can make sentences. When you know the phrases, when people say things, you understand. So phrases is phrases, phrases is language, phrases is word. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.